Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fruit salad with vanilla ice cream. To begin, gather your favorite fresh fruits such as vibrant berries, juicy melon, and tangy citrus. For the perfect accompaniment, ensure you have 1 pint of high-quality vanilla ice cream ready. We'll also prepare a simple, bright dressing to enhance all those natural fruit flavors, making this a truly delightful dessert experience for everyone. Now let's get our fruits ready. First, give all your selected fruits a good wash under cool, running water to ensure they are perfectly clean. Next, for larger items like melon or pineapple, carefully peel them and then dice them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This ensures every spoonful is a delightful mix. Finally, gently combine all your beautifully prepared fruit pieces in a spacious mixing bowl. The secret to a truly exceptional fruit salad lies in its dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of golden honey with 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lime juice. This combination offers a wonderful balance of sweetness and tang. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt. It magically enhances the fruit's natural flavors. Gently pour this vibrant dressing over your mixed fruit, tossing to coat evenly. To achieve the best flavor, chill your prepared fruit salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and ensures a refreshing experience. When ready to serve, scoop generous portions of the vibrant fruit salad into individual bowls. The grand finale. Top each serving with a delightful, creamy scoop of vanilla ice cream, creating a perfect harmony of cool and sweet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.